Welcome, Swagata, Suswagatam, VVSM Academy welcomes you to my special classes on biology, particularly on behalf of GOPANAHALLY Employees Association, VVSM Academy, a School of Arts and Science, a mission with a vision. Our classes, science classes, cell biology. My dear friends, cell. What is cell? What are the components of cell? What are the importance of cells? How it relates to the fundamental units of life. About COVID, be cautious, use mask, sanitize periodically because of the viral shedding from coughing, sneezing, settling for person-object contamination, dispersion in air, deep and continuous respiratory deposition by nasal breathing. So all these things are to be taken in care. Social distance is very much essential, my dear friends. This is a airborne transmission. We should be very cautious regarding the respiration. Contaminant measures, we have to be very careful. COVID-19, corona is spreading day by day. We should be very cautious, and precautionary measurements is very essential. Well, I am once again welcoming you to the science cell, that is science classes, biology classes, particularly cell biology. Cell biology is a branch of biology studying the structure and function of the cell, also known as basic unit of life. My dear friends, the fundamental unit of life, that is the basic unit of life. What are living organisms made up of? How they are related to the life? Cell, in biology, the basic membrane bound unit that contains the fundamental molecules of life and of which all living things are composed. A cell consists of three parts. Number one, cell. Number two, membrane. And number three, nucleus. And between the two, the cytoplasm. Within the cytoplasm lie intricate arrangements of fine fibers and hundreds or even thousands of miniscule. What is meant by miniscule? Miniscule means extremely small organisms are called miniscule, my dear friends, but distinct structures called organelles. VVSM Academy gives the basic conceptual education to the people who are residing in rural area, particularly Chalakare, Gopanahally and its surrounding schools, Chitradurga, rural area and rural Karnataka. This is cell biology. Cell biology is a special branch of biology which deals with the study of cells. My dear friends, as I told you, the fundamental unit of life, Robert Hooke's discovery of microscope and discovery of cells, the compound microscope, the importance of microscope in cell biology. Cells are the basic building blocks of all living things. The human body is composed of trillions of cells, trillions of cells, billions, then trillions. They provide structure of the body, take in nutrients from food, convert those nutrients into energy, and carry out specialized functions. Cells also contain the body's hereditary material and can make copies of themselves. Cells have many parts which with different functions. Some of these parts called organelles or specialized structures that perform certain tasks with the cell. Well friends, this is the flow chart of the cell. Cell is mainly classified or divided into cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. CCN. Try to remember it this way. Some sort of practice is very much essential to the student in the learning process. CCN. Cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus, the main divisions of the cell. Further, the cytoplasm is further divided into cell organelles and cell inclusions. Well, my dear friends, as I told you, cell membrane, this is a cell composed of the cell membrane. Some of the components which are there, it is covered by the cell membrane. The outermost layer of the cell is called cell membrane. Next, cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is important part of the cell. Then inside the cytoplasm there is a nucleus. Nucleus and the components of the nucleus is there. So, my dear friends, nucleus components are nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, nucleus, and these are the important things let us discuss about. What is cell membrane? The outermost layer of the cell is called a cell membrane. Then inside the cell, that is the cytoplasm. And this cytoplasm consists of so many components of the cell and the nucleus of the cell. This is very important concept of cell division and cell components and important divisions of the cell. If you like our videos, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. This is VVSM Academy, VEERABHADRAIAH DEMAIAH, contact number 96638 28428. Thank you. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತಾ VVSM ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಕಲೆ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ವೀರಭದ್ರಯ್ಯ ದೇಮಯ್ಯ ಗೋಪನಹಳ್ಳಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.